Yeah, hi, I'm Susanne Rikus, Himmelreich, and I'm the owner of the Alohana Institute. And I'd like to introduce myself to you, that you get a feeling of what you get in Alohana and the work we do and provide. Yeah, I'm a coach, I'm a psychotherapist. I'm 25 years now a freelance artist. I am nearly the same time, 27 years, I have a degree in architecture. I am Feng Shui consultant, I do geomancy. I'm trained in clinical hypnosis and also in ego state therapy. And I'm also trained in Soma. Soma from somatic experiencing. It's a great working with the body and working with trauma in psychotherapy. And that is who I am. I'm also doing workshops with my husband and Himmelreich. And you can see what we do. And we also do family therapy, we do constellation, and just check out our website and we are welcome to show you more.